gonna make a DIY air conditioner with this drill. We're gonna drill some holes in this bucket and then grab the fan over there. Right now we have this fan. We're gonna make it cooler because right now if we were just to blow this fan, it would cool you down a little bit, but it's still blowing the same hot air out. So I saw this on the Weather Channel. You grab a bucket from the Home Depot. You can make this DIY air conditioner for around $25. This bucket was $2. Some PVC piping that's pre-cut. They were about 80 cents each. Or salt right here. Usually you have that. And this part right here, this was the most expensive. It was like $10, $15. So that's what hit us up the most. Let me put my safety glasses on. Drill a hole into this bucket now. There you go, there's one down. I drill 2 more holes right here. Oh, if you put it in reverse, it works better. Oh, the battery's just dying on this, but luckily I have this other power drill. Oh boy, I don't think this one's gonna do anything. This thing's a toy. After about a minute, nothing's happening on this, but at least we got 2 holes right here. We'll put these in here. I froze these up. They might have melted, but it's better than putting ice in here because after the ice melts, it's just going to be blowing out humid air condensation, right? Some drinks in there too. It's good as to make a cooler. And then we'll put the fan on top now. You could also throw some popsicles in there too. And a few ices, okay. I guess you have to throw it in like that. Let me go crush that up on the ground. And now we just turn it on. And hopefully cool air comes out. And it's not really doing much anything, so that's not really a good life hack to make. That right here is supposed to split the wood. But it's not doing too good. It's doing nothing. So right here, this is a cool thing. You see right here, check this out. It's magnetic. And you can see right here is the magnetic mesh right here. Right here, we're trying to have the door. We're putting the TV, the cables underneath the closet door, and we want to close it, but we don't want to crush it. So right there, you could see I have it hooked to there. I have to put a new one down there because it's not neat, but underneath is the outlet, so I didn't want to get shocked by putting a nail down there. But I don't think there's any electrical wires down there, but usually they run electrical wires below. And it doesn't crush the cables. I'm not going to go too much more because I don't want to hit the cable. There could be some power to it, so it could shock me, but it's pretty good. And now it slides down. The locks right over here. Or anybody trying to break into the house, they can't open the window, even though they would have to break the screen first and then try to open. But right here, I can lock it from the inside, and then you can see it doesn't go up, it doesn't budge. In the kitchen by this window right here, they have safety locks right over here. You push them in if you want to open it all the way. See on the stud meter. Right there, there's that arrow means there's the stud. Right there, that's live wire right there. There's the beam, the end of the beam. Oh, maybe not accurate, but there's the live wire, that's no good. See, this whole thing is oh, there, it just ended. It's 46 from the bottom one, the right length. The way we use a small screwdriver, we're doing it to put the molly in through the drywall, and then this one. We're hammering in the molly. This now. Right here, it comes with an Allen. This is a life hack. We don't have the needle nose pliers, and also I'm not going to show you, but we don't have it in the bathroom here, but the screwdriver or something didn't work, so but this works for removing the molly. And it doesn't matter if the hole's slightly bigger because we're going to patch it up. Turning the corkscrew. Right there, check down, then you just push it in right there, and then we'll spackle it over. And then you'll want to wash it before you open a bottle of wine. It's more flush almost. Turning white, check this out. This was the old one, it wasn't too good. On the bottom it had this tiny little screw right here to loosen it, tighten it. Coping saw right here. We got this one there. Turning the cam locks right over here. Put this in here, and then it just swirls around. You just put it like that, and then look at that. You just tighten it, and look, the piece comes together. now we're putting the screws, the grill together. These are the wheels right here. Put a safety bar right here. Actually open the damper. Right now it's closed. I have it detached right there because right here you can see right here. This is how it was. It was only that much open, 30%, and not much was going up. So the guy said raise it up, the chimney guy. So now I detached it and I could open it manually all myself. I'll probably put a cotter pin on it.